The most recognized oval in automotive history. Born in Japan, built in America, owned by everyone. It rises, from darkness to presence. America's most wanted SUV just arrived. Los Angeles, 5 a.m. Every road belongs to it, not because it races, because it rules. Look at that grille, angular, aggressive, unapologetic. Toyota didn't update the RAV4, they restarted it. Georgetown, Kentucky, 800,000 square feet of American precision. This is where it's born. Steel, heat, spark. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport doesn't roll off a line. It's forged. Robotic arms, human hands, perfect rhythm. Every millimeter, deliberate. Toyota doesn't guess, they engineer. 2.5 liters, paired to 2 electric motors, 320 combined horsepower, born right here. Supersonic Red. The name alone carries velocity. Before it moves, it's already in motion. A human hand, a chrome oval. One touch, and a legend is complete. The doors open, American asphalt. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport PHEV, alive. Kentucky dawn, mist on the fields. The same roads that built this country, just got a new king. 360 degrees, every angle a statement. No angle is weak, no surface is soft. LED dual beam projectors, standard, every trim. They don't ask permission to light the road. Los Angeles freeway, before the city wakes, this machine owns it. Supersonic Red, zero apology. That grille, every bar machined to purpose. Air doesn't flow around this car, it submits. Pacific, coast, highway. Midnight black roof against the ocean. Supersonic red against the sky. These are not colors, they are declarations. 18 inches of dark forged alloy. GR Sport exclusive. Not dressed to impress, built to dominate. San Francisco, pre-dawn. The city still sleeps. The RAV4 GR Sport doesn't. That rear spoiler, not aesthetic, functional. GR Sport means it earns every element it wears. The door opens. Black SofTex, red stitching. A cockpit built for the driver who refuses to compromise. Flat bottom steering wheel. GR Sport only. This is not a crossover's wheel. It's a performance instrument. Every control, exactly where it should be. Toyota's Arene platform, 10.5-inch display. Technology that serves the driver, never the other way. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. It sees farther than you do. It reacts faster than you can. The highway stretches ahead. From the driver's seat of the RAV4 GR Sport, America looks like it was designed for this exact machine. GR Sport, embossed on the headrest. A brand that once dominated Le Mans, now in the SUV America drives every day. Overhead, every surface considered. Black, red, chrome. No detail without purpose. Drive mode selector. EV, HV, charge. 3 letters. Infinite control. The road ahead. Through the windshield of a machine with 320 horsepower, it doesn't look long enough. Midnight. City lights. The cabin breathes. Silent. Charged. Ready. Desert. Dawn. Full power. 320 horsepower. All of it, right now. The RAV4 GR Sport doesn't build to speed. It arrives there. Beneath the floor, dual electric motors. Torque. Instant. Unflinching. No gear change needed. No hesitation possible. Canyon. Left. Hard. GR Sport suspension. Planted. Physics argued. The RAV4 won. Control arms compressed. Dampers absorbing everything. Engineers in Toyota City designed this moment, decades ago. Utah salt flat. Above, the sky. Below, a mirror of supersonic red. Hood. Speed. Air. The chrome Toyota oval doesn't flinch at 90 miles per hour. It was built for this. The world spins around it. The RAV4 GR Sport. The axis. Everything else, orbiting. Hands on the wheel. 320 horsepower answering. This is not driving. This is dialogue. Los Angeles. Night. Pure EV. Not a sound. The city doesn't know it's there. That's the point. Full acceleration. Supersonic red. At maximum velocity. A streak. A flash. a statement. America's SUV at full power. The port opens. Plug in. 52 miles. Pure electric. The gas station becomes optional. Suburban Dallas. Home. Charged. Ready. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport works while you sleep. The Arene platform shows you where your power flows. Engine, batteries, motors, regeneration. Visible, understandable, in your hands. American flag behind. Electric charger in front. Two eras of American driving, meeting at this exact moment. 52 miles. Most daily commutes in America, under 30. You might never use a drop of gasoline. Sunset, Pacific Coast. Toyota built a machine that earns its beauty every single mile. Rear cabin, red stitching glowing in amber light. Luxury is not a price point, it's a decision made at the design table. The liftgate rises, city framed in the opening. The RAV4 GR Sport carries your life in style. From below, it's enormous. Chrome above, sky above that. Planted, unmemorable, American. Utah Mesa, golden hour. At the edge of the world, Toyota's best SUV asks, where next? Rain, Seattle, 60 miles per hour. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is already watching. It detected the threat before the driver could. Wet switchbacks, mountain rain, 4 wheels, 4 electric motors, 1 direction, forward. Pacific Northwest, mist, Douglas firs towering overhead. The RAV4 GR Sport doesn't need permission to go anywhere. Gravel, mountain service road, 18-inch GR Sport alloys, biting, loose surface, zero hesitation, front motor, rear motor, talking to each other 100 times per second. Grip is not luck, it's engineering. Chicago, elevated highway, towers blur. The RAV4 GR Sport belongs in every American city and dominates all of them. New York, midnight, rain, supersonic red in a river of neon. Every yellow cab a contrast, every light a stage. 5G, connected. The RAV4 GR Sport doesn't just drive, it communicates. Family, gear, mountains. The whole life, loaded. One machine to carry all of it. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport, built for this. Dusk, rear shot. Spoiler, diffuser, chrome oval. Every exit, a performance. 5.7 seconds. 0 to 60. Done. Faster than sports sedans from a decade ago. In an SUV. In America. In 2026. Hands, wheel, power gauge. Maximum output. Right now. You don't ask the RAV4 GR Sport for performance. You accept it. From above, switchbacks carved into mountain. Supersonic red threading every turn. Precision from 200 feet looks like art. Hard braking. Tire deforming. Physics visible. 320 horsepower. Controlled at will. Angeles crest. Night. Alone. Headlights sweeping canyon walls. The mountain has no secrets from this machine. Track mode. Full AWD grip. 4 contact patches. Working as one. GR Sport means Toyota's performance engineers signed off on every corner. Regenerative braking, decelerating, and charging. Every stop is an investment. Texas, highway to the horizon. The machine, the road, the republic. All 3, built for scale. 90 miles per hour, night. Instrument cluster alive. Power, range, speed. All 3, maxed. Crest of the hill, briefly weightless, then all 4 wheels slam back to earth. 320 horsepower, already pulling away. A private jet, side by side. The machine built for America's roads, keeping pace with the machine built for its skies. The world in orbit, the chrome oval at the center. Everything else, secondary. Times Square, midnight. Every color the world can produce. Landing on Supersonic Red at once. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport absorbed it all. Air over the rear spoiler. Not styled, calculated. Every gram of downforce, earned. Water crossing. The river didn't stop it. Nothing does. Miami, Brickell, night. Supersonic Red in a city of lights. The streets lit up just to keep pace with it. One badge. Billions of miles of trust behind it. Toyota, center of liftgate. Chrome. Still there, still earning it. Full power. Canyon. Golden hour. The wheel. The road. The machine. In this moment, everything else is irrelevant. The American Southwest. A supersonic red dot on infinity. Scale that humbles. Power that answers. Grand Canyon. Sunrise. The largest thing America has ever made, and the most popular SUV it's ever bought. Side by side. Neither one flinching. Salt flat. Golden hour. 320 horsepower. No exhaust, no drama, just force. Arriving in silence. The future of performance. America's best-selling SUV. Not by accident, by engineering. 475,000 families chose in a single year. Georgetown, Kentucky. 3 RAV4 GR Sports. 1 line, 1 flag. American factory, American hands, American roads. 1 technician's fingertip. Inspecting supersonic red under white light. 0 defects are not a goal, they're a requirement. 5th Avenue, New York. Apple, chrome, glass. The most premium zip code in America, and the 2026 RAV4 GR Sport belongs here. Golden Gate, dusk. The most photographed bridge in America, and tonight, the most photographed SUV. Earned, not staged. Rain on supersonic red. Each drop, a crown. This paint doesn't just cover the car, it elevates it. Big Sur, Pacific. Cliff edge dropping into the ocean. The RAV4 GR Sport, threading the line between sea and sky. 2 beams of light, from darkness. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 GR Sport PHEV announces itself. Golden hour, California hilltop, chrome oval at the center of the sun. Some machines are built to be driven. This one was built to be remembered. Silhouette, sunset, stillness. The most important SUV in America, at rest, for now. LED headlights, alive. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport, never finished. Toyota, chrome, hood, 1 oval. 50 years of trust, distilled into 1 badge. Open highway, horizon, supersonic red, shrinking into America. The best-selling SUV in the United States, going exactly where it belongs, everywhere. Next, a machine built not for roads, but for war. Steel Reborn, coming for it.